Hey guys, and welcome back. I hope you're all well. So today I'm going to be sharing with you everything you need to know about the Inkey list, including a demo and review of all the products that I've been using over the past couple of months within my routine. But first I'm going to share with you guys a little bit about the Inkey list, and then we'll get right into the demo and review. So the Inkey list was founded in 2018 by Mark Curry and Colette Laxton, who believe in the power of knowledge when it comes to beauty and especially skincare. And this knowledge can overall help you make better and the right decisions when it comes to your skin. Which brings me to their two amazing personalized services that they provide for you, the customer. First off is #AskInkey, which is available 24/7 at the inkeylist.com website. This live chat can help you with any skincare concerns or needs, and they are here to help make your skincare journey as simple as possible. The second service that the Inkey list provide is called Recipe Builder. This is where you can create a bespoke skincare routine, and it just involves answering a few simple questions. I did also want to mention that their website is really easy to navigate when shopping because everything is sectioned into the order of your skincare routine, so you can find anything you're looking for, whether it be a cleanser or something specific to treat and target the skin. There is 3 simple sections, starting with clean, then treat, which includes toners, acids and eye creams, and then to finish, moisturize. Okay, now that I've covered the basics, let's get right into the products that I've been using over the past couple of months. So the Inkey list very kindly gifted me all of these products apart from the Caffeine Eye Cream, and these were actually chosen and recommended for me because I filled out the simple questionnaire on the Recipe Builder. So if you are unfamiliar with any of the products and you just don't know where to start, this is a good place. Go on the Recipe Builder and they'll help you build a routine, whether you buy all the products or just a couple. First off, I'm starting with this oil and water double cleanser that comes under the clean section. You can use this both AM and PM to remove makeup and to also nourish the skin thanks to the sweet almond oil. Be sure to shake this bi-phase cleanser to activate before use. And I personally really like using this first in the morning as a quick second cleanse without rinsing, to hydrate my skin, and then second to remove my face makeup only, again as a second last cleanse within my PM routine. I've also found this great to use as a base before dermaplaning with the small razors that I've mentioned about before. Once a week I have been using the apple cider vinegar acid peel, which is one of the Inkey list's newest products that comes under the treat section. This quick 10-minute treatment can be used preferably once a week on damp skin, just like a mask, to reveal instantly brighter skin. The aim of this peel is to even the skin's tone and texture, thanks to the combination of 2% apple cider vinegar and 10% glycolic acid. You can also as well use this on specific areas that are prone to breakouts, including the neck and chest. The Collagen Booster has been my next port of call within both my AM and PM routines before my vitamin C serum. This super lightweight serum is a wonderful add-on to help firm and plump the skin, and I know I have certainly seen a difference in the appearance of fine lines on my forehead, especially since using this religiously twice a day. Moving on to this 15% vitamin C and EGF serum, which helps to regenerate the skin and brighten. This is something I have used in the evening, specifically every night, and I've certainly noticed how much brighter my skin looks, especially when I team it with the Collagen Booster as well. Again, this is an ultra lightweight serum that sinks into the skin more or less straight away, and it can be incorporated both into your AM and PM routines. The Caffeine Eye Cream is something you originally saw me try at the start of this year, and ever since it has been my go-to within my morning routine. This lightweight cream helps to make the under eyes just feel lovely and hydrated, along with aiding in reducing puffiness. I do enjoy using this as well before I put on concealer, just to keep the under eyes looking fresh and to prevent them from looking crepey and dry. Lastly is the Turmeric Moisturizer. Now, turmeric is known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. I have personally preferred using this as my day moisturizer before SPF because of its brightening and hydrating benefits. I do have to admit this does smell very smoky, but don't let that put you off overall, because it is a fantastic product to incorporate within your routine to calm, protect, even and hydrate the skin. So overall, I have loved incorporating all of the Inkey List products within my routine, and especially using the recipe builder feature that helped me narrow down what was right for my skincare concerns. I've loved how all of the treat products I have used so far have had a wonderful lightweight texture, which makes them perfect for layering and cocktailing with other serums. For me though, the standout products that I have seen the most difference from, whether that be more or less instantly or over time, is the new apple cider vinegar acid peel. This is such a quick pick-me-up treatment to do, and I've always noticed my skin just looks instantly brighter after using this product. The second item is actually two products that I think have worked really well together for me, and that is the Collagen Booster teamed with the 15% vitamin C and EGF serum. These certainly are a dream team because I've really noticed how much more brighter and hydrated my skin has looked after using these over time, especially on my forehead. Finally, my last favourite is the Caffeine Eye Cream, as you just get a ton of product for an exceptionally good price, and this really is such an easy everyday eye product to use of a morning because it instantly revived my tired looking under eyes. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this and found it helpful. Give it a big thumbs up if you did, and also let me know down in the comments below if you currently use any of the Inkey List products and what you would recommend to everyone in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this kind of content. I'd love to have you as part of the PBB community, and I hope you're all having a great summer week, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care guys, bye!